I bet you don't think a lot about the word dumb. You probably use it. You probably think you know what it means, but I really think it comes from the Torah in this instance where Aharon, his sons were killed, and we usually translate it as he went silent, but the word dumb, before we used it in our modern sensibilities, really meant people went silent. In fact, somebody who was mute, who couldn't speak for a variety of reasons, was called dumb. Not because they weren't intelligent, though that's what it was thought. It was thought that they weren't intelligent, but they couldn't speak, and so they were dumb. People originally thought it meant not intelligent, but they used it when people couldn't speak. So Aharon, his sons get killed for trying to do a ritual even bigger and better than it was intended or commanded. And Aharon does not put up a fuss. He goes dumb. Listen to the Hebrew, vayidom. This word has to come from the Torah, vayidom, and he was dumb. He was silent. He wasn't an idiot, although it might have seemed like that. I mean, his children had just gotten on fire and burned up, but he was dumbstruck. Vayidom. I want you to all remember that. Vayidom. It happened in the book of Leviticus, but here we have Aharon once again. Korach and 250 men, leaders, come to challenge them. Moshe falls on his face, vayipol al panav, like al panim, and Aharon is dumb. Think about it.